Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to rename files using command prompt. I have a folder on my desktop called Files, which contains files of different file formats. In this video, I will show you how to rename these files using command prompt. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on the command prompt from the results. The command prompt window will open on your desktop. Since the files folder is on the desktop, first move into the desktop directory. So type cd desktop. Now you are inside the desktop folder. Now to move into the files folder, type cd files. Now you are inside the files folder in the command prompt. Now let's try renaming bitcoin.mp4 to btc.mp4. To rename single file, type ren space bitcoin.mp4 space btc.mp4. This command will rename the file bitcoin.mp4 to btc.mp4 in the current folder. Similarly, you can rename files of other formats. For example, ren space solana.txt space sol.txt. This will rename the file solana.txt to sol.txt. This is how you can rename files using command prompt. Thank you for watching.